Okay, YouTube modeling community, welcome back to my channel. First and foremost, thank you for sticking around, being my subscribers, commenting, thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes your road go around. Yes, I got a bit of a flu, cough, cold, whatever you want to call it, sickness. Anyways, this was going to be my 2025 motorcycle group build, which I still want to build this bike. I was excited to get it, and a few other guys are building it, so I'll be watching along with that one. But I've changed my mind. Talked to Cliff. I'm changing my bike out. I forgot I had this one until the other night. I knew I had the bike. I just didn't know I had the decal set. I forgot I had the decal set. So this is the decal set. I've been good old Charlie Mack green. This is the kit it requires. I have 4 of them. 3 more. These same kits because you change the livery. But that's the kit I'll be using. I used the decals from this one because I built this one. I had 4 of them. So I had 4. I built the bike already, but because of this color here, the bleed through the white on the 93, so I doubled up the decal. So that's why this one doesn't have decals, but I don't need them anyways because I'm building this one. And there goes my Frank Frizzo appreciation group build behind that box. I hope nothing got broken. Oh, there's the chassis. The chassis is looking good. I'm gonna do a separate video for this one. Yeah, okay, everything's cool. But anyways, yes, the kit hasn't been started. I gotta do another video after this one. I got my Christmas card in from Tom. Canada Post is over. Got a card from Donnie Griffin. So I do have the fork set, which I'll be using. As you can see, there's the all the parts, pieces. Oh, excuse me. Being sick, though, you don't get a whole lot of sleep. I got a bunch of parts up there, motorcycle parts that I use. Probably be using some of those. So, bike build kicks off tomorrow. Being the first of the year, but yeah, I'm switching. So that's my new entry to the motorcycle group build, hosted by Cliff, co-hosted by myself. Excited again. This is year number 2 for me. I just told Cliff, as long as I'm alive, I'll be his wingman anytime for these motorcycle group builds. I have a whole collection, so I have a lot to go. Anyhow, there's a bunch of parts in here that I use for my motorcycle group builds. Or my motorcycle builds. Not my group builds, but can't even speak properly. Anyhow, that's either here and there. There's a bunch of parts in there. Rivets and valve stems and whatever have yous. I used to have, and I can't find it, material that went over top of the seat and made it look like it was real foam seat, but that's why I've been trying to keep everything together lately. Yeah, some valve stems. We have wheel sensors. We have brake caliper, rotors. Just a set of rotors. Never know what we're gonna throw on this bike. When I do, I'll just give you guys an update. We have wiring and all kinds of other stuff. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna do a couple more videos today. So let's keep this one short. Thanks again, whoever's joining in. I'm gonna see if I can get the Facebook one up again, up and running. Anyways, excuse me, guys. Peace out. Thanks for watching.